working with the architecture program's design build course this summer to build the Fuel Gardens shed.
Yeah, so we spent the first 4 weeks designing this project. We worked through a number of iterations, and this is the design that it eventually evolved into.
These projects are really important for the college, and it has been such a great experience to work with the students and to see them grow.
This is a really great project because they get to not only design something that will exist in the world and benefit a group on campus, but then they actually get to see it realized.
I think it's really important because you get to go through the process of actually building the structure of the building, which is something that you really don't get to work with when you're making smaller models.
We're doing it as a team. It's 6 of us. And so what we did is take all of our ideas, combine them, and then we created this shed.
The prominent design feature is the double sloping roofs. The higher pitched sloped roof will drain water into rain barrels that the garden can use to water plants. The lower sloped roof, we hope to have a green roof demonstration in the future on it. And we really appreciate that the foundation funds these types of projects and allows us to do these things on campus. And we're looking forward to doing more of them in the future.